2 cups of water. Halo lang ng halo. Put it in the freezer for 5 minutes.